The future of luxury travel has arrived, and it's more breathtaking than ever. Imagine a motorhome so advanced, so seamlessly designed, that it feels like stepping into tomorrow. Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review, and today we're diving deep into the incredible Volvo Mega Motorhome, a futuristic RV that redefines what it means to travel in style. From the very first glance, the Volvo Mega Motorhome makes a bold statement. Its exterior is unlike anything on the road. Draped in sleek metallic silver with flowing aerodynamic curves, it looks less like a traditional RV and more like a rolling piece of futuristic architecture. Massive tinted windows stretch across the sides, blending into the body seamlessly. LED light strips wrap around the vehicle, illuminating the contours at night and giving it an unmistakable identity on the highway. Sitting on 6 large wheels with sculpted rims that glow with subtle accents, the motorhome commands attention whether it's parked or in motion. Every angle, whether front-facing or from the rear, communicates power, elegance, and innovation. This is not just transportation, it's a showpiece on wheels. Stepping inside, the Volvo Mega Motorhome instantly envelops you in a world of compact luxury. The lounge area sets the tone. Designed with a futuristic silver and black theme, it perfectly balances minimalism with comfort. Sleek black leather sofas line the sides, their clean geometric lines providing both ergonomic support and modern style. Soft LED strips flow along the ceiling edges and floor, casting a gentle ambient glow that makes the entire lounge feel refined and atmospheric. A compact glass table with a chrome base sits at the center, ideal for a quick meal, coffee, or simply relaxing while on the road. The choice of materials, glossy finishes combined with matte contrasts, keeps the space feeling premium without being overwhelming. To elevate the luxury even further, a modern crystal-inspired chandelier hangs above, a touch of elegance that transforms the motorhome lounge into a space worthy of a boutique hotel suite. Moving to the bedroom, the futuristic design continues, but in a way that emphasizes rest and relaxation. The bed is low profile, sleek in its structure, and framed with subtle LED lighting that runs along the wall panels and headboard. The bedding is simple, yet elegant, with dark gray tones that complement the silver and black interior palette. Built-in storage solutions are neatly integrated into the walls, keeping the space efficient and uncluttered. The lighting here is softer, creating an atmosphere of calm, while still reminding you that this is a futuristic environment. It's not oversized, but it feels intentional, efficient, and designed to deliver both comfort and style during overnight stays. Next comes the kitchen, and here Volvo has done something special. Compact doesn't mean compromised. The cabinetry gleams in metallic silver, with handleless panels that open with a simple push, maintaining a clean, futuristic look. A slim induction cooking panel is seamlessly embedded into the counter, paired with a compact stainless steel sink. Beneath the counter sits a premium fridge finished in metallic tones that blend into the cabinetry. LED strip lighting runs underneath the cabinets and along the counter edges, not only providing illumination, but also enhancing the sense of sophistication. Even in a small footprint, everything feels functional, elegant, and designed for modern living. This kitchen doesn't shout luxury, it whispers it through precision, design, and attention to detail. The bathroom takes compact elegance to a new level. Every surface is designed with efficiency and style in mind. Glossy silver walls contrast beautifully with matte black accents around the fixtures. A frameless mirror with integrated LED lighting adds depth to the room while casting a clean glow. The sink is a matte black basin set into a slim metallic counter paired with a chrome minimalist faucet. The toilet is sleek and efficient, tucked neatly into the layout without disrupting the flow of the space. A futuristic glass shower enclosure with subtle LED edges completes the look, adding sophistication without taking up unnecessary room. Even though it's compact, the bathroom feels refined and luxurious, proof that Volvo has mastered the art of premium minimalism. Then we arrive at the heart of the motorhome, the cockpit. This is where innovation and design truly merge. The dashboard is a sweeping surface of glossy black, accented with chrome and brushed metallic trims. Embedded within are glowing LED blue digital interface panels, offering touch-sensitive controls that give the driver total command over the vehicle. The steering wheel is compact and sculpted, with a metallic frame and leather grip, outlined by subtle LED lighting. 2 ergonomic seats in black leather with chrome side accents anchor the cockpit, designed for both comfort and futuristic appeal. Above, a matte black ceiling with integrated lighting panels enhances the high-tech environment. With its panoramic tinted windshield stretching across the front, the cockpit feels expansive, advanced, and absolutely premium. It's the kind of driving position that makes you want to be behind the wheel for hours. Not just because of the comfort, but because of the sheer futuristic experience it delivers. Now, beyond the design, let's talk about what this motorhome can actually do on the road. Volvo is renowned for engineering excellence, and the Mega Motorhome carries that DNA forward. Underneath its sculpted body lies a powerful engine built to handle long journeys with ease, delivering smooth performance and impressive efficiency for a vehicle of its size. The handling feels secure and confident, even with the vehicle's massive proportions, thanks to advanced suspension systems and Volvo's focus on safety and stability. Despite its futuristic styling, this is no concept car, it's a fully functional luxury motorhome, capable of taking you across countries in comfort and style. And of course, we have to talk about the price. Vehicles like this don't come cheap, and they aren't meant to. The Volvo Mega Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category, with prices expected to rival or even exceed some of the top-end luxury RVs and coaches on the market. Depending on customization, features, and region, you can expect a price tag in the high six figures, possibly crossing into the $1 million range. But that's the point. This isn't about affordability, it's about exclusivity. Owning the Volvo Mega Motorhome means owning a rolling piece of the future, a statement that blends cutting-edge design, compact luxury, and engineering excellence into one extraordinary package. In the end, the Volvo Mega Motorhome isn't just a motorhome. It's a vision, a redefinition of what travel, comfort, and futuristic living can look like when a brand like Volvo brings its design philosophy to the road. From the striking exterior to the carefully crafted interiors, from the lounge with its crystal chandelier to the sleek cockpit that feels like a command center, every detail has been designed to deliver an experience unlike any other. Thank you for watching Luxury Wheels Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Volvo Mega Motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of the most exclusive cars and motorhomes in the world. Your support helps us bring you closer to the future of luxury travel, one vehicle at a time.